Hello everyone. Welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best Thermo Pro TP410 digital meat thermometer. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Infrared temperature measurement. The Thermo Pro TP410's infrared technology delivers precise, contact-free surface temperature measurements, minimizing risks like burns or oil splashes. With a swift 0.5-second response time, it measures a wide range from 50°C to 550°C with 1.5°C accuracy, making it ideal for cooking, grilling, and industrial use. Distance spot ratio. The TP410's distance spot ratio ensures precise surface measurements by maintaining accurate distances. For example, with a 12:1 ratio, measuring a 1-inch spot requires holding the thermometer within 12 inches. Deviating from this or targeting insufficient surface areas may lead to inaccuracies, making it ideal for cooking and mechanical tasks. Adjustable emissivity function. The Thermo Pro TP410 features an adjustable emissivity function to ensure accurate readings across various materials. Its default setting of 0.95 works well for organic and painted surfaces, while customizable settings allow fine-tuning based on material properties using the manual's reference data. For reflective surfaces, applying masking tape and allowing it to adjust for 30 minutes eliminates inaccuracies, ensuring precise measurements even in challenging conditions. This adaptability enhances its versatility and reliability. Non-contact safety. This thermometer ensures safe operation by eliminating direct contact with hot surfaces. It's ideal for grilling, baking, or checking appliance temperatures. Pros. Fast and accurate, delivers readings in just 0.5 seconds with an impressive accuracy of 1.5°C. Versatile temperature range, works across a broad range from 50°C to 550°C, suitable for diverse applications. Non-contact measurement enhances safety, especially when dealing with hot or hazardous surfaces. Adjustable emissivity allows for tailored accuracy based on material properties. User-friendly design, straightforward setup and operation, with clear guidance provided in the manual. Compact and portable, easy to carry and use in various environments. Cons. Requires learning curve, adjusting emissivity settings and understanding the DS ratio may be challenging for beginners. Reflective surface challenges, extra steps, like using masking tape, are needed to ensure accuracy on reflective surfaces. Dependence on battery power, the device requires regular battery replacements, which might be inconvenient during extended use. Final thoughts. The Thermo Pro TP410 digital meat thermometer is a powerful tool that combines cutting-edge infrared technology with practical features to deliver accurate and convenient temperature readings. Its non-contact design enhances safety, while the adjustable emissivity function ensures versatility across different materials. The broad temperature range and fast response time make it a reliable choice for both professional and home use. While it's ideal for measuring surface temperatures, it doesn't cater to internal food measurements, which may limit its utility for some culinary enthusiasts. Additionally, mastering its emissivity settings and DS ratio requires some learning, but the benefits far outweigh these minor drawbacks. For anyone in need of a precise, safe, and portable thermometer, the Thermo Pro TP410 is a fantastic investment. Whether you're grilling the perfect steak or checking appliance temperatures, this device is designed to make your tasks easier and more efficient. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more reviews and tech insights.